Hey everyone, so I'm just going to do a quick video just with how to refresh a database. So what we're going to do is we've got a standard acceptance test environment here. So I'm in Lifecycle Services under the project. We've deployed all of the environments, and what I want to do is I've taken a backup of the database earlier. So what I've done is as soon as I've published that environment, what I've done is I've taken a backup of the blank database, so that way I can always roll back to an empty database. So if you look over here, the way I did that was I actually went move database. So we open the UAT environment, we go into move database, and a whole bunch of options will come up here: refresh database, import, export, point in time restore, and a point. So what I'd done earlier is I've exported that database, and that database then sits in your asset library. So if we go in here and we go look at the asset library, and we go look at where did I back it up to? Database backup. You see I created it over there as an Avito auto backup. If I then look here, I've used the description just to say this is a blank database. We can use this to refresh an environment to blank. Okay, so let's now go in and actually refresh that environment. So I'm going to go again into the standard acceptance test, the UAT environment. And I'm then going to go, while I wait for it to go into maintain, I'm then going to go move database, and I'm going to say import database. I'm then going to say Avito UAT backup. I'm going to click submit. I agree that import database will erase the databases, so that's going to erase all the data within that environment with this backup. I'm then going to submit it, and it will refresh and take a bit of time. So now it's queued up. I'm not sure how long it takes. I think it varies, but probably an hour or so is probably a good metric, but it may take shorter. Okay, so that's pretty much how you can refresh a database within your Lifecycle Services managed environments.